Hi everyone, I'm Neha, your shopping executive. Year 2022 has already started, so I want to wish you all a very happy new year. And now, moving on to this video, I didn't plan to shoot it, but I was wearing this really cute outfit. So I thought, why not shoot a video? So this was shot around 1 week ago, and this video is about how I style my hair. So firstly, I have washed my hair with this Biotic BioKelp shampoo. I personally like this shampoo and it's affordable. It cleanses my scalp and it controls my hair fall. So I have been using it for more than 2 months now. This is my second bottle and I would personally recommend it to you if you have curly wavy hair. It works amazing and my scalp just feels really clean. After that, for conditioning, I use this Indus Valley Ultima Hair Spa. This is a spa cream. It can be used like a leave-in conditioner or a regular conditioner or hair mask as well. As you can see, the texture is a little thick like a cream, but it does not make my hair very greasy or anything. I personally use it on my scalp and then along the length of my hair, and then after 20 minutes I just wash it off. If you have extremely dry hair, you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. Now that I have soaked all the extra water from my hair, I'm going on with this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Serum. I didn't like it considering its price, it's a lot pricey, but I have used quite a quantity of it because I had purchased it. So I'm gonna take two pumps and just apply it over the length of my hair very generously because I have long hair, so I take more quantity if required. And once I'm done with the length of my hair, I also run the same hands from the top of my hair so that थोड़ा सा क्वांटिटी वो सामने के बालों में भी लग जाता है and it does not even make my hair very greasy. So very carefully I applied, and then there are a few hair strands that just come out, but that's okay. I don't mind. So let's just keep it aside. Now, after this, I'm gonna use something which I have created at home. So this is kind of a leave-in conditioner which I have created with the help of this 7 keratin conditioner and a hair serum. So I take any serum that is available with me and then I apply this leave-in conditioner from the mid of my length to the end. Now let me be very clear. This is only suggested for curly hair or wavy hair like I have. I take a little quantity and the consistency is quite runny. So I just rub it and apply it from the mid of my length till the ends and just squeeze my hair like this so that it creates some beautiful waves in my hair. Now when I started using it, it made my hair very oily, but once my hair got used to it, they started looking very healthy and nourished. Now you have to be careful that you do not put this product near your scalp, otherwise your scalp will start looking very oily on the very first day you wash your hair. So just from the mid length till the end, and I just repeatedly squeeze my hair again and again. I hope you can see there are some beautiful curly waves that are formed in my hair. I keep squeezing them every few minutes so that my hair can properly hold it, and this step is now done. After 5 or 10 minutes, I apply aloe vera gel on my hair. This works like a styling gel for me and helps in holding the curls for a longer time. So I take a little quantity, run my fingers through my hands and then again squeeze my hair like earlier. Right now I'm using the one from the brand Plum because I absolutely loved it. After this, I just wait for around 30 minutes so that my hair are almost dry. And then I use a diffuser. The one I'm using is from brand Iconic. For those who don't know what a diffuser is, it's a blow dryer with an extension. So I just part my hair into two, take one section and just roughly squeeze all my hair into a bunch and then put it on the diffuser and start it for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. The diffuser extension, it reduces the pressure with which the air is coming out, so your curls are not damaged. So if you have curly or wavy hair, I think you should definitely invest in a good quality diffuser because it just changes your curls game. So I'm adding the link in the description, you can check it out. And now I'm done. So this is how my hair look after I have styled them. These are looking a little messy right now, but after some time it just gets better. So I just quickly repeated the same step on my other section of hair as well. So this is also done. Let me show you how it looks at the end. I think the leave-in conditioner that I use and the diffuser really helps in defining my curls really well. See, honestly, maintaining curly hair is a task and you need to keep working on it for years. I have started following this curly hair routine around 3 4 months ago. That also because my sister has beautiful curly hairs and she have worked on it for 2 3 years and I have seen the results. So I was motivated because of her, and I'm sharing this video so that if you have curly hairs and you keep complaining that your hair are dry and frizzy, I think you should start taking care of them the way they deserve, and you'll be amazed to see the results. I have been following many bloggers for their curly hair routine, but mostly I've seen that they use those curly hair products which are very costly. But in my routine, I only use very basic and very affordable products. That's why I shared this video so that you can also start without investing a lot. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends who have curly hair and they keep complaining that their hair are not good enough. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoy watching my content, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.